Ang vlog natin today is pinamagatan nating English Conference. Okay? Give me a topic. Let's start.
The topic is about the flood control.
Flood control or blood control?
No, breath control.
What?
No. The Smoke Island is something wrong here.
The Smoke Island like Baboy Island?
There is no Baboy Island.
Look, this is Baboy.
No, this is a cat.
Cat?
Yeah.
You should have poops. There's something.
Yeah.
No, the two of you is
You go out so we can live forever. I wanna live.
Without you.
You go live so we can control the blooding control.
You need to glue it out to stick it out.
Yes.
You're so crazy.
No, we're not.
We're just saying.
We're just saying that a poop like
An issue
Issue of
in Thailand.
No,
no.
a metal.
It's not a metal. It's not a. This is marble.
No, that is.
Are you in the issue?
No, I'm out.
Why you're out?
Get out.
Because we're in?
Inside. Out.
What are you?
We're not
What are you?
inside.
What are you talkative?
What? I don't understand.
You should go away.
Go away, far away.
Far away so we can control the blooding control.
What is flooding?
You should glue it in.
No.
This.
You make it. That
Make our
one
world
be.
a better place.
What?
No.
What?
Because it will make poop.
Okay,